effing General Motors and their quality control. Welcome back to Curtis LSA YouTube channel, and for those that are new here, my name is Matt. Just doing an update on my VF GTS, which is still waiting to be rebuilt. It is the end of June, and proved that it is near the end of June. Australia beat Turkey in the World Cup 2-0 on the weekend. So got an update about the vehicle. The damage was caused to what they call core shift. So if you're not sure what core shift is, it is a when they're casting the engine block, they actually cast it with the factory sleeves in there, and due to the heating and the cooling of the process of the casting, the actual sleeves can move around a little bit. I'm not trying to rip off someone's video, but here's a little video explaining that.
The sleeves can actually move. You can see that it's actually shifted the whole sleeve that way, and then the machine.
So yeah, the actual factory sleeves move around a bit when it's casting. So and of course that the actual machine that drills the bores out doesn't know that that's moved around. I mean, like a 1 millimeter that sleeve can move, and that can cause some issues. So yeah, I'm just down having my lunch break down at a nice little water spot in the north of Brisbane. So just give an update on the GTS. The workshop said they're going to get the car towed back to me without the engine next week. So the first week of July, I think that will be. And then they'll get it towed back. So still waiting on parts from the US, and also getting the machining done with the sleeves and whatnot. So still going to be a couple of weeks away. Fingers crossed it should be by the end of July that I have my VF GTS back. I'm hanging out to drive the bloody thing. Keen as I haven't started it, as I said in the last updated video, since January the 4th. So yeah, that's where it is at the moment. I know a lot of people are asking. Now also, next weekend's video I might do a little bit of a giveaway. So I did say in previous update videos I might do a couple of videos where it's not car related. I guess it might be car related, but I guess that you'll need to watch that actual video to see what I mean by giveaway. Could be some money, could be quite a substantial amount, or it could be a little bit, but make sure you tune in for that video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing, and please tune in for the next video, because it could be a giveaway, quite a bit of money, as I said. And my name is Matt, and you're watching Curtis LSA TV.